Here I'm going to show you how to insert an image into a Google Drawings, and this also is similar to the way you do it in Slides, so I'll show you both in the same video. If you haven't watched the video on inserting images into docs, you might want to do so because I'm going to skip a couple of those steps, assuming you already know how to do them. So I'm in my Google Drawing and I want to insert an image. There's a shortcut button in Drawings and in Slides that looks like a couple little mountains, and it usually shows up underneath your menu. And that's the shortcut to insert an image. Just like with anything else, you can upload, take a snapshot, and use URL, as well as search in your Drive, or just straight up search Google from this Insert Image menu. In this case, I am going to use a photo from my Drive. So when I go into my Drive, it shows me I can search via certain images if I have them named. I can also look at images that were shared with me as opposed to images I created. And I can look at recent images that were done. So since I have this connected to my phone, a lot of the recent images are ones that come from my phone. So I'm going to choose this image from my Drive. If you want to use a URL, it's similar to what I showed in the docs video. So I'm going to insert this picture, and it inserts my image right away. So I can do some of my cropping options. If you watched, there was a video about cropping earlier, and I can also change my image options or replace the image. If I choose replace the image, I can choose another image from my Drive, or maybe do one by URL. I already have an image URL copied, so I'm going to paste that in. And that will swap out my image for me. When you use replace image, you have to be careful because it's going to use the same size, and the particular image that I wanted to use was not that same size, so it did get cut off. You can also copy paste images into drawings, docs, slides, sheets, anything. But this is a way to give you a little bit more control over the image that gets put in. This shortcut that I showed you about using the image button is the same as when you insert images in Slides. You get the exact same menu and you can insert things the same way. I'm going to use URL right away so you can see what that image was supposed to look like. Yay! There we go. So that's how you insert images into Google Drawings and Google Slides.